Miss Bubble Bubble. Saan yung bubble? Wala. Junk. Mm.
Wala kasing tulugan. Parang ganon. Okay na. Umabot na si Kuya Kaino ko. Si Kuya Kaino ko sa baba. O, diba? Manso naman. Manso. Anong manso naman? Manso naman na. No? Kung lang basta nag-get nyo ang message ng kanta. Oo nga, Kuya Jeff. Ganda ng comment. I know kung kanta sinasabi ko. Lakyat na. In 7 hours and 57 minutes and 29 seconds. Yes, may habol pa. Ito yung habol pa. Magkano oras pa? Diba? Hindi ko pa ako eh. Magising kayong lahat. Ano ah? Matibay mo.
Anak. Tali mo na yung bat. Walang tao.
Sabi kakain lang daw eh. Pinabayaan lang.
Ayun o. May nagninenok ko yun o.
Walang kwenta.
Walang kwenta. Kahit na puli mo.
Ganoon na lahat ni Roy. Yung masarap.
Ano ka, parehas lang yan o. Junk. Ito, chippy. Hindi mo pataling yung karton. Libre. Libre ganito.
Changing words in over.
Ay.
Nanasikan eh. May shoutout po sa Iloco, Bellamy. Thank you. Ako, nagpa-practice. Doy. Nagpa-practice ka dyan sa likod.
Nagpa-practice. Itong kakantahin ko. Ayan. Nalamitan niya po sa ipon gawin. Kaya, ay may katabi na ako. Narinig niya na ito na power of the sound. Siyempre, yung mga guys, alam ko. Si Kailo ko, alam ko. Si Kuya Jeff, alam ko. Si Cam Ready, alam ko. Message na itong kanta. Ay, nagkwento. Sabi ko kanta. Na, alam ko itong kanta to. Nakakagyan na lang. Nakakagyan na lang po yung lyrics. Sabi ko, kanta. Ito yung takagyan, hindi yan toto. Ganon. Wala ko kontra. Everyone considered him growing up and counting. He never stood one single time to prove that counting wrong. Mama named him Tommy, but folks just called him Yellow. Something you always told me, never reading told me wrong. He was only 10 years old when his daddy died in prison. I looked after Tommy because he was my brother's son. Still recall the final words my brother said to me. Son, my life is over, but yours has just begun. Promise me, son, not to do the things I've done. Walk away from trouble if you can. Kasi namatay yung tatay niya. And if you won't see your way, you can turn the other cheek. I hope you're old enough to understand. Son, you don't have to fight to be the man. Sabi ng tatay, huwag ka makipag-away. There's someone.
Okay, that's it, pansit.